Experiencing Bluetooth connection problems between your Garmin Edge 520 Plus and your smartphone? You're not alone. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve these issues, focusing on common causes and effective solutions. While the Edge 520 Plus is a reliable cycling computer, Bluetooth connectivity can sometimes be problematic, but don't worry, we'll get you back on track. The Garmin Edge 520 Plus uses Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, to connect to your phone for data syncing via the Garmin Connect app. This low-power technology allows efficient battery usage while transferring ride data, notifications, and live tracking information. The pairing process involves putting the Edge 520 Plus in pairing mode through its menu. Navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth, and select Pair Phone to make the device discoverable. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and search for available devices. Look for Garmin Edge 520 Plus in the list and select it. Confirm the pairing code that appears on both devices to establish the secure connection. Several factors contribute to successful pairing. Keep the devices within 10 meters of each other for optimal signal strength. Ensure there's a clear line of sight without physical obstacles blocking the Bluetooth signal. The devices must use compatible Bluetooth versions, specifically 4.0 or higher, which supports BLE technology. Always make sure your Garmin Connect app is updated to the latest version for best compatibility. Start with the simplest solutions. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both your Garmin Edge 520 Plus and your smartphone. Next, try forgetting the device on your phone, Bluetooth settings, forget device, and then repairing. A soft reset on the Edge 520 Plus, hold power button for 10 seconds, can also resolve temporary glitches. Outdated software can cause Bluetooth incompatibility on your Garmin Edge 520 Plus. First, ensure your Garmin Edge 520 Plus firmware is up to date. Connect the device to your computer and use Garmin Express software to update to the latest firmware version, such as 10.50 or higher. Next, update the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Open your phone's App Store and check for the latest version of Garmin Connect to ensure compatibility. Regular software updates help resolve most Bluetooth pairing issues and improve device stability. Bluetooth signals can be disrupted by Wi-Fi routers and other Bluetooth devices in the area. Try moving away from potential sources of interference. Also, check Bluetooth permissions in your phone's settings to ensure Garmin Connect has the necessary access. Enabling the phone's Bluetooth to always-on mode may help stabilize the connection. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve Bluetooth pairing issues with your Garmin Edge 520 Plus, consider a factory reset as an advanced solution. This restores the device to its original factory settings, clearing all user data and custom configurations. Remember to back up any important ride data or settings first, as the reset will erase everything. Access the reset option through the device's menu, Settings, then System, then Reset, and confirm your choice. If Bluetooth problems persist consistently, switch to AN Plus connectivity as a robust alternative. ANT Plus is a wireless protocol designed for sports and fitness devices, offering more reliable data transfer with less susceptibility to interference from Wi-Fi or other devices. Use an ANT Plus USB adapter connected to your computer, then pair it with your Garmin Edge 520 Plus through the Garmin Connect software or device settings. For detailed instructions on factory resets, ANT Plus setup, or firmware updates, visit Garmin's official website. Go to explore.garmin.com or the support section for your specific device model to find step-by-step guides and troubleshooting resources. Many users have found effective solutions to Bluetooth pairing issues through online communities. For example, a Reddit user successfully resolved repeated Bluetooth drops during rides by switching their phone's Bluetooth setting to always-on mode and updating their Edge 520 Plus to firmware version 10.45. User forums like the Garmin community and Reddit's r/Garmin offer valuable insights and troubleshooting tips from fellow cyclists who have encountered similar issues. These community-driven fixes often involve simple adjustments like enabling persistent Bluetooth connections and ensuring firmware is up to date, helping users maintain reliable connectivity for their cycling computers. While these fixes can resolve most issues, Consider the evolving landscape of cycling tech. Newer Garmin models, like the Edge 840, feature built-in cellular or dual-band Wi-Fi for seamless syncing, bypassing Bluetooth altogether. If Bluetooth reliability is a persistent concern, upgrading to a newer model might be a worthwhile investment. Experts predict that Bluetooth fixes will become obsolete with device obsolescence by 2028.